wanted to highlight this truck for you guys. I know you may have seen this vehicle already, but wanted to showcase it for you one more time. Delmonico Red 2020 Ram 2500 Bighorn Edition. Cummins diesel. Everything you could ask for in the truck right here. Leveled on 35s. We've got Method MV305s in that bronze finish with this Delmonico Red. This really just works. 17x9. Negative on the offset. We're in a 35, 12.5, 17 Toyo Open Country RT. Another hybrid tire. Has a 2-ply sidewall, so you got some added sidewall protection for this one also. Got some nice step bars. But just look at all this flake in this paint. Can you see it luster? Let me focus. Right there, look at that. Amazing, guys. That looks so clean. Truly love that. Aikens liner in the back too. So this is one of our lot vehicles, recently completed. I'm honestly surprised it's still here because it's a great stance and setup for everyday vehicle, or one you definitely can take off-road or use for work, or definitely some play. So I love the sport package too, in that you get body color bumpers, door handles. Really just flows nicely. If this had chrome bumpers on it, it really just wouldn't be one that we thought would go nice with this package. So we're glad to see we're getting these trucks in stock so we can do some add-ons to it. While I got you here, we got a pre-owned Jeep Wrangler, or I'm sorry, Jeep Gladiator. Leveled on 35 as well, with some fuel Covert wheels and a bronze finish. Looking great. This is a pre-owned vehicle, so have some money savings there in opposed to buying a new one, and we did the work in-house right here at Wild Willys as well. Last one before I let you guys go today. Ram 1500 billet silver with a 3.5-inch SST kit from Ready Lift, 35s, with a nice fuel nitro wheel and a very fitting anthracite gray. Matches just money. This is a clean truck to me, guys. I don't know what you think, but 3.5-inch SST kit, that smart suspension technology, that mid-level lift, upper control arm, hockey puck style spacer, ride quality not affected, 35 step bar, WeatherTex, Speedo cowl, spray and bed liner, got the dual exhaust from the factory. Just a money setup. So we've got your Ram needs taken care of. You know, we are trying to grow our Ram business. We've been notoriously known for our Ford business, but Ram has stepped up and done a great job with their vehicles as well, guys. So pushing the envelope. We're so proud to have Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, and Ford here at Wild Willys in Aikens. So truly blessed and an honor for that. Stay in tune for anything auto. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Real Deal Neil. Thanks a lot.